In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 3. This is a fantastic tool for those looking to leverage advanced AI capabilities effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can maximize the potential of this software in a few simple steps. First, you need to head over to the Grok web interface. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If not, you'll need to go through the quick process of creating an account. Make sure you remember your login details, as this will be your gateway to accessing Grok's powerful features. After you're logged in, your next step is to create a new chat. This is an important step because it sets the stage for the interactive experience Grok offers. Simply look for the option to start a new conversation or chat, usually prominently displayed on the dashboard or main interface. This will allow you to engage with the platform and begin crafting your queries or tasks. Once you've created a new chat, you should see various options or menus designed to enhance your interaction. Here is where you'll find the selection of models. As you're looking to use Grok 3, navigate to the Models section. It might be a drop-down menu or a list, where you can select Grok 3 from other available options. It's essential to select Grok 3 to ensure you're utilizing the specific model designed for advanced computational tasks and AI problem solving. Next up, it's time to enter your prompt. This is where you begin to truly engage with Grok 3, so think about what you want to ask or accomplish. Whether it's a question, a task, or a creative idea you want assistance with, type it into the prompt box. It's helpful to be as clear and specific as possible, as this will ensure Grok 3 understands your needs and produces the most accurate and useful output. Now that you've entered your prompt, take a moment to review the output. Grok 3 will process your input and generate a response. Examine this output carefully to determine if it fully addresses your query or if there's anything that might need tweaking. It's normal to go through a bit of refinement, so don't hesitate to adjust your prompt or clarify your instructions further. This iterative process can help hone the results to better fit your expectations and requirements. Congratulations, you're now adept at navigating and utilizing Grok 3. Each use will further enhance your understanding of this dynamic tool, making your interactions with it increasingly efficient and rewarding. Thank you for joining me in this exploration, and I hope you enjoy your journey with Grok 3.